Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you a demo of how our system works. So you can see here, this is the back office of the live transfers that we have. And over here on the left, it says paused and off. This is where you would hit the switch to basically turn on your calls instantly. You see how that turns on there? And obviously I want to turn this off because this is my account here and I don't want any calls right now. But you're only going to get one call at a time. You bid on the calls here, so this is set $36, and I will tell you that the average is about $35. Sometimes it's $32, sometimes $37, but overall it's about $35 a call. The destination phone number, this can go to a landline, a cell phone, a soft phone, and when I say soft phone, I'm talking about something on your computer such as this, and you can take and receive calls wherever computer if you wish to. Most agents just do a cell phone, so it's up to you. Now on the filtering, I can tell you that these calls are obviously for life insurance, so they're not calling in for an iPad or anything like that. And all the filters I talked to you about earlier, such as cancer, heart attack, stroke, diabetes, all that stuff is right here. And you're also only going to get calls from the states that you're licensed in. So said another way, when you have your system on, you're going to get a call to this phone number in a state that you're licensed in that had went through these filters. Okay? Very, very simple. All the calls are recorded, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, the quoting engine is right here, and basically the red is all we need to plug in. So once we get a transfer, we actually get an email with the client's information in it. So I'm just going to pull one right here. Let's say that they're from Colorado, and as far as the birth date goes, let's just do March 1st of 1978, and I can tab over and just hit F for female, for example, or I can use my mouse and select whatever you need to over here. Also on the coverage, let's do $100,000, make it easy. Duration, 20-year term, and let's just rate them a standard rate and run quote. So you see how fast that is, and it just brings it right on up, and I can adjust on the fly here whatever I want to. Let's say I want to run a 10-year term instead of a 20-year term. It changes it instantly. If I want to go to a tobacco user, again, it happens instantly. So very, very quick there. And then if I wanted to quote final expense, such as a whole life type product, I could certainly do that, and I would just come over here to level benefits, for example, and I could quote the different companies, and depending on tobacco user and non-tobacco or a dollar amount that you're trying to sell them, the companies will automatically adjust in there for you. Now, if they're not quite that healthy and you need to sell a graded benefit, you can also do that, and you can even offer guaranteed issue for the different people that are in here, okay? And so this person isn't quite old enough for guaranteed issue, so if I made that like a 1966, you can see that all the guaranteed issue comes up there, okay? You can also do accidental death here as well, so let's just say you wanted $100,000 of AD&D right there. Also on the term that we just talked about, instead of you doing a 10-year term, you could also do a universal life. So if you want to quote a universal life, right there is a protective, and you can sell that all day long. So that is the quoting engine that we use, and then you saw how we get the transfers. And I hope that this helps you see that the system is easy to use and encourages you to join us. So if you want to join P.E.A.K Financial, please click the button below, and we will get you started. Thanks so much, and I'll see you later.